Hey y'all, and welcome back to Wagon Homestead. So in today's video we are going to get the blueberry bush planted. I'm going to get all these peppers planted that I have sitting on my porch, and I'm going to get these tags filled out. And then we are going to talk about the fall garden. So let's jump into the video. Okay, so for those of you who may be new here and haven't seen anything, these are the peppers I was specifically talking about. So, with this one is a blot, so it's going to be like an ombre color. Then we have a cherry pepper, which I believe are red, I think. Then we have two King of the Norths. And then we have another cherry pepper. And then the other one is we have a yellow pencil, which is a hot pepper. We got two of these. So, we are going to get these all labeled. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to get these all labeled. And then gonna get these into their containers. So let me fill these out and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I got this planted, and before I show you guys what I did, so because of the rain and because I still have yet, which is completely my fault, no one else's, my fault completely, we have lost some bean plants because I forgot to drill holes still in the one pot that keeps flooding. And it was the purple teepee, which was right in here. I was getting some of the water out and everything kind of fell out. So, but you know what, it's okay. We still have time to start over. It's all good. So, I got these cleaned out. I'm probably going to start with some new pea plants. These are looking a little sad. But I got all the weeds out, and I got the big weed out of here. And so what we're going to do is, so this is ready for the fall garden. This is going to be ready for the fall garden. Strawberries are great. There's so many runners. It is ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. And then, okay, so here are the peppers. I need to water these still, and I'll do that before I go in tonight. But we have the King of the North right here, and here's the other pepper. Here we have the cherry peppers. We have the one blot pepper, and then we have the two yellow pencils. So these are ready to go and everything's all good. What I need to do, so I need to plant these because these are looking really nice, and I definitely want to make sure we get more strawberries, so I need to figure out how to plant the runners, because oh my, there's a lot. Alrighty, so next thing we are going to be handling, gotta grab this. So we need to plant, we need to plant the pink lemonade. I already have a tag written out for it. I need to take this off. There we go. Okay. And of course we're dropping more stuff. But it's fine. Also, guys, look at these peppers. They look so good. Alrighty, let's head to the back garden And for those of you who are asking about the peppers of what I'm using, this is just a bale of hay that I had left over from the ducks that we had to get rid of, and I was going to save that so we could use it for planting and the garden. Alrighty, another thing we're going to be doing while we're back here is getting these tomatoes staked up. So let's hop on in here, avoiding the tomato plants. And I'm going to take a look at this cucumber plant to see because you know what, I'm just going to rip this out. Ooh, we got a lot of poison ivy. To me, that's a lot. I'm very allergic to it. Stresses me out, guys. Alrighty. So, the soil back here is very rocky. So, I'm going to hop off here so I can dig this, and then I'll show you guys when I'm done. Alrighty, so, I have the tomatoes staked, and I have a zip tie loosely around them to keep them up. This one, I had to use a string to make it stand up straight because it just wasn't doing it. And we got some of the weeds cleaned up here, which is nice, and I took the weeds out of the garden. Right over here, we have the pink lemonade blueberry bush. And then over here, we have just like your normal blueberry. I got that from Lowe's. I don't remember the variety that this one specifically is, but this one for sure is pink lemonade. So here we have the get stuffed, and then we have the Cherokee purple, and everything is good. And then we have these beans that are here. I really haven't decided if I'm going to rip them out or not, because they're just not doing the greatest, and they really are not recovering from when the slugs had taken over. Alrighty, so while I was back there, first of all, I ate another pea pod. Well, peas from a pod. And those are from the early perfection ones that I still have here in the pods. And they were good. If you guys have not had fresh peas before, straight out of the garden, you have to try it. They're so good. Other thing is we have another dragon tongue bean. So we have this, and I think that's about everything for planting and such. Now I kind of wanted to talk to you guys about fall gardens. So for me, I live in zone 6B, and so I need to start getting fall stuff ready and all of that done. So here's my plan. So where these leeks are, if these leeks don't start taking off or doing something, I'm probably going to put broccoli in there. Seems big enough for broccoli. Never grown broccoli before, so it would be new to me. I believe the variety that I have that I'm going to try to grow is called Sun King Hybrid, if I'm remembering correctly. But if these don't take off or do something, then I'm just going to replace them and do the broccoli. Here I'm going to replant the purple TPs once I drill some holes in this, because we still have time for more beans. Definitely going to put more peas in here. I'll probably start fresh. Here, I can't decide if I want to put the collard greens in here, because those are inside. And we have 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we have 5 collard green plants inside, and they've been inside for a few weeks now. I may put one in here. I don't know. Peas will be there. In there, I'll probably put another collard green. In the back garden where the beans were, I'll probably end up ripping those out, and I'll put Brussels sprouts back there, because I've never grown Brussels sprouts before. And also, I put stakes in all of these. I know these are not ready up front, but stakes are already in there, so they'll be good. So, what I need to do probably tomorrow for me, won't be tomorrow for you guys, but tomorrow for me, I need to get the broccoli seeds started, and I need to get the Brussels sprouts started, and get those going. That way I can have those pretty much healthy, hopefully. That way those will be ready to transplant outside soon, because it's still a bit too hot, but I do need to start thinking about the fall garden and getting things prepped for it. The only other thing that I want to do is just get these strawberry runners taken care of. So these are the Jewel strawberries, they're June bearings, and this was the first year for them, and I have yet to get anything because I pulled all the blossoms off. But this is the longest runner that I have, so I just think it's pretty cool. But I'm so excited for next year to finally get some strawberries. It's so exciting to me. But it's getting dark out here, so I have to get all these plants watered, and probably go inside and get some seeds started tonight, possibly. But that was it for this video. Thank you guys for coming along and watching my journey of this year's garden, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.